Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim video in DaVinci Resolve. This is one of the most fundamental skills you'll need when editing, allowing you to remove unwanted sections and keep only the best parts of your footage. Let's dive right in and get your clips perfectly trimmed. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it loads, you'll be greeted with the main interface where all your editing magic happens. Take a moment to ensure your project is loaded and your video clips are already imported into the media pool and placed on the timeline. If you haven't done that yet, make sure to drag your footage onto the timeline before proceeding. Now, look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This switches your workspace into the editing mode, giving you access to all the tools you need for cutting, trimming, and arranging your clips. The Edit workspace is where you'll spend most of your time refining your video content. Once you're in the Edit workspace, direct your attention to the toolbar. Here you'll find various editing tools, but we're specifically looking for the blade icon. This tool looks like a razor blade or knife and is essential for making precise cuts in your video. Go ahead and click on the blade icon to activate it. You'll notice your cursor changes to indicate that the blade tool is now active and ready to use. With the blade tool activated, navigate to your video clip on the timeline, find the exact point where you want to make your cut. This could be anywhere you need to split the footage, whether you're removing a mistake, cutting out a pause, or dividing your clip into separate sections. Click directly on that spot in your video clip. You'll see the clip instantly split into two separate segments at that exact point. This is your cut in action, cleanly dividing your footage, and that's it. Your video clip is now cut and trimmed. You've successfully split your footage into manageable pieces that you can work with individually. This gives you complete control over which parts of your video to keep and which to discard. If you need to remove any of the unwanted segments, simply click on the clip you want to delete. Once it's selected, press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. The selected clip will disappear from your timeline, and the remaining clips will stay in place, ready for further editing or to automatically close the gap depending on your timeline settings. You've now mastered the basics of cutting and trimming in DaVinci Resolve, giving you the foundation to create polished, professional-looking videos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.